Hi, and welcome to Lema Dental Clinic. If you've ever wondered how braces are actually put on, let's walk you through it step by step. First, we start by cleaning and drying your teeth thoroughly. A clean surface helps the braces bond properly. Next, we apply a special solution to lightly roughen the tooth surface. Don't worry, it's completely harmless and painless. Once the teeth are prepped, we apply dental glue and carefully place each bracket onto your teeth. Every bracket is positioned very precisely based on your treatment plan. Then, we use a special light to harden the glue and fix the bracket in place. After the brackets are secure, we insert the arch wire. This wire gently applies pressure to move your teeth into the correct position over time. The wire is held into place using small rubber bands, which you can sometimes choose in different fun colors. We do a final check to make sure everything is aligned perfectly. The entire process takes about 45 minutes to an hour. You might feel a little tightness, but that's totally normal. It means your braces are working. Getting braces is the first step to a more healthier, straighter smile. At Lema Dental Clinic, we're here to guide you through every step of your orthodontic journey. Ready for your dream smile? Book your consultation today with Lema Dental Clinic. Let's smile together.